Hello and welcome to Tango Basic Plus lessons. Here we explore basic figures which are described in technique books and also interesting tango choreographies. And today we will look at back Corte with open finish and outside swivel. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. We start with back Corte, but we will end back Corte with outside step, which means it's open finish. And after that we will dance outside swivel. So man starts with left foot and dances slow, quick, and slow outside partner. Then we start like reverse turn and we dance outside swivel. After that, step and tap in promenade position. Now, let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us classical back Corte, which means with closed finish. And slow, quick, slow. Let's do it again. Notice that Violetta this time will turn head not to left but to right. Slow, quick, slow. Very good. And now let's put open ending. This means last step we will do outside. And slow, quick, slow. Notice that last step outside partner gives us possibility to move more across the floor or be more progressive. Let's look again from opposite angle. Slow, quick, slow. Now let's continue with reverse turn. We will dance first 3 steps of open reverse turn. Quick, slow. Very good, from opposite angle. And quick, slow. And now instead of outside step we will dance swivel to promenade position and then step tap. So we start like reverse turn, then outside swivel, step and tap in promenade position. And now again, this time with teaching count. And quick, slow, quick. And now let's put together what we have until now. So we will start with back Corte. So we dance back Corte with open finish, start reverse turn with outside swivel, step tap. Notice in tap lady's head movement. Very good. Now from opposite angle, this time with teaching count. And slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick. And now we will add in front of our routine natural promenade turn. Slow, quick, slow, quick, back Corte slow, quick, slow, outside swivel, quick, slow, step tap, quick, and continue with promenade link in timing slow, quick. Let's do it again from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.